in 10 o'clock. It's very, very late. That's my jugaad looks like. Yep, packing done. And now we want to go to that Para Coconut Tree Road. That's the only place left to go. It's okay, so we got this. We'll roll it like this. It makes it very functional. Tank pad is also ready. Okay, all set guys, let's go. We wanted to leave early as like 6, but somehow it's already 10 and we are way behind the schedule, so hopefully we'll reach Mangaluru by like 6 o'clock maybe. The big task is reaching Margao. It's a long way to Margao, 70 kilometers, and no traffic till there will be hectic. Okay boys, ready? Alright, come with you. So this is how the connection is done. This bridge also helps to a pillion to sit. So come with some extra cushioning. It's very soft actually. Box kariye. Lock on out, look. Anil Balde has come from Bangalore. He and other 4 are come to a car from Bangalore. So they're also ready. Even we are leaving. I mean, we're all together actually. So, fine. Okay. Right hand.
Bye bro.
Hold on.
Bye. Bye. Next time take a plan parga. Nama bike kade varpa. Enna bike andala valla iddi.
Enna bike varti.
Enna bike nerdu speed varpa.
Follow onchu fast highway dandu. 1 hour baka anikul enchu open aitte.
Ave Hubballi 11 daada 11
sorry. Bye. Let's go. Finally, we're on the road and time to go back. It was a nice little trip. 3-4 days. I couldn't manage to visit all the places I had listed, but just worth it. And I did like 3-4 places a day, hardly 1 or 2. So yeah, it was nice. So here we go, Para Coconut Tree Road. Start from here. It's around half a kilometer in the length. It would be an ideal place to visit in monsoon. But anyway, we are here. I just hope there aren't many people. Okay, we are back on the highway. Just finished our lunch. I love this road, man. What is this traffic for? Oh my god. It's so hot here and this traffic. Oof. Okay, some relief. That's why we should have more trees. ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ನಾವು ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಅರೆ ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್. ಬೈಕಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯಾಕೋ ರ್ಯಾಶ್ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನಾವಿಂದ. ಓಯ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾರೆ.
ಸೊ ನಾವೀಗ ಮುರುಡೇಶ್ವರದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಟೈಮ್ ಇಸ್ 5:15 and it's long way to home. So yeah, trip illే. I'm ending it here. So if you're watching so far, please do like, share and subscribe. This was our Goa trip. Bye bye.
ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್. ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್.
Welcome.